right, stocks down across the board, as we know. The Dow is off, whatever it was off, 500 plus, 1.5 percentage points. David Bahnsen, founder and managing partner, chief investment officer at Bahnsen Group. David, these numbers today and the down revisions of May and June change the narrative for the economy, and they should change it for monetary policy.
They certainly should change it for monetary policy. And according to the short end of the bond market today, they did change it for monetary policy because the 1 year, 2 year, they dropped 25 basis points in one day. That doesn't happen. Their market expectations for a rate cut in September went up huge. I'm with you 100%. The Fed should have been cutting by now. People can disagree about what, why, when, all this stuff. They should be cutting. But in the meantime, I think the narrative is that, the economy is not as strong as we want it to be, and we have some work to do. Yeah, the
3% GDP number was not really 3% because the core GDP, consumption plus investment, was just over 1%. Now, we're not in a recession. This was not necessarily a recession report, but it was a stall speed report, to use Chris Waller's phrase.
For sure, and I think David's right.
Now, you want to buy the market right back, don't you, David Bahnsen?
Oh, I want to buy dividend growth stocks. I want to buy dividend growth. Look, some stuff in the market did not get cheap today, okay? There's a lot of froth in the market. There's a lot of expensive stuff in the market. But I do believe that profit growth is still good.
Yeah.
And that's what you have to be watching, is profits growing and then good valuations. Well, my mentor
Profits
said
are the mother's milk of stock. The catastrophic tariff crowd has been proven wrong.
Yes.
I mean, the interesting thing about today's numbers, nobody's even talking about the tariffs.
Right.
Well, I actually wrote my dividendcafe.com today entirely about the tariffs, Larry, and I'm talking about it. But you know what I'm doing? I'm talking about it as a supply sider. Because what I'm saying is I don't think that the catastrophic crowd's been proven wrong, and I don't think that anyone's been proven right. What I think is let's look at this based on, are they opening new markets?
Yes.
Are we going to see total trade go higher?
The answer is yes.
Because if corporate profits
barriers are coming down.
And if that all happens, we're going to see it without it affecting capital flows.
The point I keep making is private and government investment flowing into this country as part of this tariff trade diplomacy. We've never seen anything like it.
I think it's amazing. It's every time
you're talking about
the deals that he's
5,
announcing.
6, could be 7, could be as much as 10.
I'm not a big fan of the term government investment, but I do know what you mean. The private investment part gets me excited as a supply sider. It's pro-growth. The only thing I'm saying, Larry, is I want to see that play out without it compressing total trade. We require foreign capital coming in this country.
Total trade's going to go away. Trump is outwitting everybody, including you guys. Anyway, Kenny Polcari and David Bahnsen, appreciate it very much.